Do map questions destroy your IELTS listening score? Left, right, opposite, next, roundabout, suddenly you miss 3 and 4 answers in the row. If that's happening to you, don't worry. Today I am giving you a complete 7-day IELTS listening map challenge that can help you to turn the hardest question types into one to the easiest one. So many students tell me some map questions समझ नहीं आ रहा है, डायरेक्शन बहुत फास्ट होती है एंड मेन लोकेशन आइडेंटिफाई नहीं करते. लिसनिंग च सब तो ज्यादा मिस्टेक्स होंगी ना मैप च. So the good news is map questions follow the patterns. So once you understand those patterns, your scores improve quickly. So why students lose marks? Students usually lose marks because they look at the wrong area of the map. They don't understand the direction of vocabulary and they panic when the speaker change the directions. So they stop listening after missing one answer. So the key is training your brain is to follow the movement. So the day 1, learn the direction vocabulary. So that is the main part. Learn the direction vocabulary. Focus on words like turn left, turn right, opposite, next to, behind, in the front of, at a corner, crossroads, junction, roundabout. Practice these words for 20 minutes daily. Without a vocabulary, map becomes impossible. Day 2, understand map layouts. So focus on study different map types like campus maps, parks, museums, shopping center, tourist attractions, and learn how locations are labeled. Understand entrances, exits, and the landmarks. Day 3, predict before listening. Focus before pressing play. Ask yourself, where is the starting point? Which places are already labeled? Which answers are likely missing? So good prediction reduce stress. Day 4, follow the landmarks. Focus. Don't search for the answer directly. Follow the landmark first. Let's take an example. The cafe is opposite the library. The cafe is opposite the library. So find library first, then locate the cafe. Landmark guide the entire map. Day 5, practice real map questions. So complete at least 3 map exercise. Time yourself, review every time, review every mistake carefully. Don't just check the answers, understand why answers was correct. Day 6, train with speed. Let's focus on listen to 1.0 speed, then 1.2.5 speed, and then 1.5 speed. So you can change the speed in your audio sections. So your brain becomes faster at processing the directions. Day 7, full hours stimulation. Focus. Complete listening test. Attempts. Complete listening test. No pauses, no rewinding, no shortcuts. Treat it like a real exam. And here's the secret for the 8 band plus 9 bands. So band 8 and band 9 students do only one thing differently. They never focus on a single answer. Instead, they follow the speaker journey across the map. So think of it like a Google map navigation. Follow the routes, then answer appear, follow the route and answer appear naturally. So here's the challenge for viewers. I challenge you to follow 7-day map challenge and comment me below map challenge accepted and tell me your current listening band score. If you're still facing a problem in a map IELTS questions, follow this structure and you will see the result. Here's the pattern to do map IELTS listening questions. Start, direction, landmark, answer. So what's the pattern? Start, direction, landmark, and last is answer. So follow this pattern and you will see the result.